Now, Isakal.com is the #1 Marathi news website in the country. For every update, be sure to visit isakal.com.
Currently in Pune, which is considered a cultured city, goons have created chaos. These incidents have shaken the entire city of Pune. Sometimes assaults, sometimes vandalism, sometimes riots, sometimes death threats, sometimes attacks with sickles. The goons have truly spread terror in Pune. These incidents have left citizens distressed, but even after committing crimes, the accused are still roaming free. So what exactly are the Pune police doing right now? Do the police still have any hold over the criminals or not? This question is now being raised. Citizens are living in fear, women are not safe, and the police are not patrolling. These are the accusations being made by the public. So through this video, let's take a look at which incidents in the past month have shaken Pune city. Hello, I'm Akshata and you're watching Sakal. Currently, gang wars in Pune have increased significantly this year. Incidents like attacking with machetes, breaking into houses, and forming gangs to spread terror are on the rise in the city day by day. On top of that, in the early hours of the 28th of June, a group of 14 to 15 people attacked a shop with weapons in the Bidhat Tevasti area of An. The complainant and his friends were chatting near Sunrise apartment in the early morning when this attack took place. A case was registered at the Chaturshringi police station regarding this incident. In this case, action has been taken under the Maharashtra Control of Organized Crime Act (MCOCA) against the main accused Amir Alauddin Sheikh and his associate. On the same day, another incident occurred. Around dawn near Bhavanchar in Indiranagar colony on Singod Road, 15 vehicles were vandalized. The reason? To spread fear. At that time, an unknown person tore the seat covers of motorcycles, broke horn buttons, and smashed the instrument cluster. A complaint has been filed regarding this incident at the Parvati police station. Then, just 2 or 3 days later, that is on the 3rd of July, watch the next video. This video is from the 3rd of July. Over a minor issue, there was a huge brawl among students outside Pune College in Pune. In this incident, a group of 10 to 15 students together launched a life-threatening attack on one student. The group struck one student on the head with an iron rod, leaving him seriously injured. A case has been registered regarding this incident at the Kondwa police station. Then, the 5th of July. A similar brawl was witnessed at midnight on the 5th of July in Mahatma Phule Nagar. In the fight between two groups, 2 people were injured after being beaten with liquor bottles. A case has been registered regarding this incident at the Vanawadi police station. Then, the 12th of July. On the 12th of July, a gang armed with sickles and swords created chaos on the Katraj Kondwa road. In this incident, 7 to 8 people spread terror and even attacked the brother of a Thackeray Group office bearer in front of the SBI bank. He was seriously injured in that incident. Next, on the significant date of the 20th of July, there was a truly horrifying and deeply unsettling display of sickle-wielding terror that unfolded in the area known as Bhavani Path. This terrifying incident involved individuals brazenly claiming, with an air of absolute authority and dominance, "We are the bosses here," all over what were ultimately very minor and insignificant trivial matters, escalating the situation far beyond what was necessary or reasonable.